Hello, children. Today we will be continuing History, Class 7, Chapter 3, Religious Synthesis. Let's begin. In the earlier part of this lesson, we saw how Bhakti movement was originated and how efforts were made to bring about religious synthesis. Now, we will be continuing with the same chapter. Sant Rohit Das was a great Sant. He gave the message of equality and humanity. Surdasa, a great poet of Hindi literature, composed the poetical work Sursagar. Devotion to Krishna, Krishna Bhakti, is the subject of his work. The verses on Krishna Bhakti, composed by the Muslim Sant Ras Khan, are melodious. Ram Charitra Manasa of Sant Tulsidas is a beautiful composition expressing devotion to Rama. In Karnataka, Basaveshwar spread the Lingayat stream of thought. He opposed the caste system and stressed the dignity of labor. Kayakave Kailas is his well-known saying, which means work is Kailas. Work is worship. He encouraged women's participation in this movement. Men and women belonging to all castes began to participate in the religious discussions conducted in the hall Anubhava Mantapa. Sri Basaveshwar conveyed his teachings in the language of the people, that is, Kannada, through the medium of Vachana literature. His work had a great impact on society. His followers have composed their work in Marathi also. Of these compositions, Paramarahasya, composed by Manmath Swami, is very well known. Great sants in Karnataka include Pamp, Purandaradasa, and others. They composed many devotional verses in Kannada. Mahanubhav Pant. In the 13th century, Chakradhar Swami founded the Mahanubhav Pant in Maharashtra. This sect preaches devotion to Krishna. Sri Govind Prabhu was the guru of Chakradhar Swami. The followers of Chakradhar Swami included men and women belonging to all castes and creeds. He supported equality. He traveled to all parts of Maharashtra preaching in Marathi. He preferred Marathi instead of Sanskrit. This led to the development of the Marathi language. Many works were composed in Marathi. This sect mainly spread in the Vidarbha and Marathwada regions of Maharashtra. Riddhipur in Vidarbha is an important place for people of this sect. This sect has reached up to faraway regions like the Punjab and Afghanistan. Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak was the founder of Sikhism and the first Guru of Sikhs. His work has to be mentioned as a great attempt at religious synthesis. He visited the holy places of both Hindus and Muslims. He had also visited Mecca. He realized that the feeling of devotion is common everywhere. He taught that all persons should be treated equally. His teachings aimed at achieving Hindu-Muslim unity. He emphasized chaste behavior. Many people were influenced by the teachings of Guru Nanak. The number of his followers increased day by day. The followers of Guru Nanak are known as Sikhs, Shishyas, meaning disciples. The Adi Grantha, also known as the Guru Granth Sahib, is the holy book of the Sikhs. The Adi Grantha includes compositions by Guru Nanak, Sant Namdev, Sant Kabir and other sants. Guru Nanak was succeeded by 9 Gurus of the Sikhs. Guru Gobind Singh was the 10th Guru of the Sikhs. After Guru Gobind Singh, Sikhs regard the Guru Granth Sahib as their Guru, as per the orders of Guru Gobind Singh. The Sufi sect. This is a sect in Islam. The Sufi saints believe that God is full of love and the only way to reach Him is through love and devotion. Their main teachings are love for all living beings, meditation and simple living. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, Sheikh Nijamuddin Awliya were great Sufi saints. The teachings of Sufi saints led to unity in the Hindu and Muslim communities. Sufi music has also made valuable contribution to Indian music. The path of bhakti taught by the sants was easy to follow for the common people. The bhakti movement was open to all men and women. The sants expressed their thoughts in the language of the people. The common people found them close to their heart. The bhakti movement has contributed greatly to making of the Indian culture. Now that we have completed the entire chapter, I would like you all to go through the textbook once or look at the PPT over and over again and try to solve the questions given. Fill in the blanks. Shri Basaveshwar, Karnataka. Sant Mirabai. Swami Ramanand, North India. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Shri Chakradhar Swami dash Shankaradeva dash Guru Nanak, first Guru of the Sikhs dash 10th Guru of the Sikhs. Nayanars, devotees of Lord Shiva. Alavars dash Shri Basaveshwar, Karnataka. Sant Narsi Mehta dash. Write about Sant Mirabai, Guru Nanak and Mahanubhav Pant. You can always research more about these sants and read more about them. Thank you, children. That's all for today. Please feel free to ask any questions you may have.